This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew pork Jamaican-style full guide. Start by trimming 2 lb pork and cutting into 1-inch cubes, then season thoroughly with thyme, scallion, garlic, salt, pepper, and 1 tsp allspice. Let the meat sit while you prepare vegetables. Chop carrots, potatoes, and a Scotch bonnet pepper carefully to control heat. This prep sets the foundation for a rich, authentic Jamaican stew pork you'll love. Warm a heavy pot and add a splash of oil. Then brown the seasoned pork in batches so pieces don't steam, creating rich caramelized edges. After removing meat, sauté onions and garlic in the same pot to deglaze and capture brown bits for flavor. Stir in 1 tablespoon brown sugar and 2 tablespoon tomato paste, cooking briefly until fragrant. This layers sweet and savory notes that make the stew deeply satisfying. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker shown is great for setting the island mood with reggae, managing timers, and voice control while you cook. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Add the brown pork back into the pot with 3 cups of stock, 1 bay leaf, and a splash of soy if desired, bringing everything to a gentle simmer. Cover and cook for 1 to 1.5 hours until pork is tender and the sauce has reduced to a glossy richness. Taste and adjust seasoning, then finish with fresh scallion and a squeeze of lime for brightness before serving over rice or dumplings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.